Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the morning podcast. Right now, as per the global markets and our market levels, Nifty is holding on to 22,100 levels. So, on a near term basis, we would say 22,000 acts as a support and 22,300 to 350 would act as the resistance. For Bank Nifty, we have a broad based support of 47,000 levels and resistance would now lie at 48,000. Now, stock specific, well, first let's start with the sectors. Energy index still shows strength. Auto index is showing signs of bounce back. FMCG is showing signs of revival and metal index is continuing to show strength. Now, the sectors on the weak side, well, first, right now it is Bank Nifty, which we are saying that yes, there is no sign of reversal, but HDFC Bank is holding on in the support category. Now, IT index has taken the plunge, and we had recommended a sell on Infosys just the very few days back and below 1480. As we had mentioned, breaking of 200-day moving average, we were expecting a target of 1420. It has breached those levels as well, but right now, technically, it is at a make or break levels. 1410 right now, that is where we are, acts as a crucial support, failing which the downslide can continue towards 1350. Hence, there is not a trading strategy but quite an oversold, so we would recommend to start accumulating. Today also is the result for Infosys. So more so wait and watch scenario. Now the other stocks to talk about, well, the battery stocks have done stupendously well. So Exide is doing well. Besides that, even Amara Raja and now Motherson Sumi also coming out of its range. So for a long-term perspective, Motherson Sumi, that is Samvartan Motherson, acts as a good buying strategy to be accumulated right from 118 as support, and above 128 we would be looking at a target of 135 to 140 levels. So Motherson Sumi shows promise. REC is showing signs of revival. So REC for now is take the support at around 415 levels, and if this support is held on, we would see a bounce coming towards 440. So these are the stocks right now. The OMCs are again coming back from its support level. So these are the stocks that one can look out for a buying strategy, since the supports are well respected. So that is it for now. Let's see how the day progresses and trading strategies will be generated accordingly. So that is it for now. Thank you.